Student, in 8085 microprocessor, today we are going to discuss about the instruction set. And in the instruction set, I have already classified the different classification or group of instruction where the data transfer group instruction comes first. In the data transfer group there is 13 instructions, and in those 13 instructions are very useful for writing and understanding the program. So in a data transfer group, when we move, then the first instruction that comes is MOV RD, RS. In this instruction, the data of register source RS is copied to register destination. So the data of RS gets copied to register destination. Here RS is called as source register and RD is called as destination register. When we describe this instruction, this instruction is described as, in this instruction, the data of register source will be copied to register destination. Remember one thing, here we are specifying copied. It means the content of register source will remain unchanged after execution of this instruction. The register source RS can be any of A, B, C, D, E, H or L, and in manner RD can be any of A, B, C, D, E, H or L. Well, to describe this instruction, I am going to give you an example, that is MOV A, B. Here the data of register B gets copied to register A. Let us consider before execution of instruction, content of register B is 20 and content of register A is 2C. Here, according to the instruction, the data of B has to be transferred in register A. That is, this 20, which is the content of register B, has to be transferred in A. That is, after execution of this instruction, A equal to 20H, and also B equal to 20H, because in this instruction we have already discussed the data gets copied or the register source data gets copied. Hence, in both of the register there will be similar data after execution of this instruction. The size of this instruction, for size I have given you a rule. Just see the number of byte of data in the instruction. In the instruction there is no visible data. Here I am giving you a formula, size equal to visible data in byte plus 1. This formula you will not find in any of the book. Just concentrate. I am telling about the visible data. RS contains the data, but the data is not visible. Whatever the data is visible in the instruction, just add 1 in the number of byte of data that represents the size of the instruction. So, in this instruction, there is no visible data, and hence the visible data is 0, and that 1 is to be added by default, then size equal to 1 byte for this instruction, 1 byte size. Addressing mode in this instruction comes under the register addressing mode. Addressing mode is register addressing mode. Register addressing mode. So now we are eligible to write the program of 8085 microprocessor. Always students finds difficulty in writing the program, but when we go through one by one instruction and we will discuss the program related to that instruction, it will be useful to understand the instruction as well as it makes us familiar to write the program. Here I am going to give you a task to write an assembly language program. To reset all register of 8085 microprocessor given register A equal to 008, that is register A is reset. Now we can start writing the program to reset all the register. That is, we have to do A equal to 0, that is given, and from here we have to do B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 0, E equal to 0, H equal to 0, and L equal to 0. This represents the flow of the program. How we are going to make all the register reset. See, A is already reset, and if we copy the content of register A to other register for which we have discussed here the program instruction, then the other register will also get reset. So if we write MOV B comma A, here B equal to 0, MOV C comma A, here C equal to 0, MOV D comma A, here D equal to 0, MOV E comma A, here E equal to 0, MOV H comma A, here H equal to 0, and MOV L comma A, here L equal to 0, HLT. That is, all the register B, C, D, E, H and L becomes 0, and it is already given that A is 0. So according to the question given, we has already reset all the register of 80 microprocessor accessible by a user. So this instruction gives the detail how the content of one register is copied to other register. In our next video, we will discuss about MVI RD, some immediate data. That is some immediate 8-bit data. So go through this instruction. We will join in other video. Thank you.